I consider two main types in large fridges, the side-by-side fridges and the French door fridges. While there are differing definitions of what a French door fridge is, I consider refrigerators that have the freezer at the bottom as a French door fridge. This freezer can be in a drawer format or can have two doors, similar to side-by-side refrigerators. As Indians, we tend to use the fridge area or the cooling area a lot more. So having that at eye level is quite useful. Now these large fridges are available in sizes generally above 500 litre and up to 800 litres. They require at least 3 feet width and require about 28 to 30 inches depth in your kitchen. Side-by-side and French door fridges are the fastest growing segment of fridges with 64% growth year over year. Why? They are aspirational. With the switch to modular kitchens, large fridges look better in a modern kitchen. And second, our usage of fridges have also evolved to store more. Either we meal prep or we store more for the next day. So I've compared over 100 large fridges, both side-by-side fridges and French door fridges, to help you narrow down the best ones for you. Let's start with the configuration of the fridge. Like I mentioned earlier, French door fridges have the cooling area at eye level or on the top and the freezing area at the bottom. The fridges you see on the screen are French door fridges. Amongst those, there are a few that use a drawer at the bottom compared to doors, which has its own pros and cons. While with the drawer, you only need to bend to take out stuff, with the doors, you might need to squat to actually see what's at the back of the freezer. So choose accordingly based on your preference. Only the fridges that you see on the screen are drawer based. These are fewer in India than the door based ones. Generally, large fridges have larger percentage of freezer area compared to a double door fridge. For instance, in a double door fridge, 75 to 80% of the overall fridge is the cooling zone and 20 to 25% is the freezing zone. On the other hand, in a large fridge, that comes down to about 60% of the fridge being the cooling zone and about 40% being the freezing zone. Now, if you want to extend this cooling area, you can consider convertible fridge, which allows you to convert either the entire freezer or a part of the freezer to a cooling area or a fridge area. In large fridges, we get both convertible and non-convertible options. But converting an entire freezer to a cooling area is not feasible for an extended period of time. So for this, if you think you will convert a freezer area for long periods of time, I recommend going with fridges that have at least two separate freezer areas, which allows you to convert only one area into the fridge or cooling area while still retaining the other area as the freezer area. My prediction is that in the long run, most large fridges will move to a 3 or a 4 door model for better efficiency in the long run. Now let's talk about efficiency. Large fridges get refreshed less frequently than double door fridges, so you will still see much older models in the market. Although the new BE rating period has started from Jan 2026, I don't expect large fridge brands to launch new models with the latest rating matrix anytime soon, which when launched are expected to be at least 3 to 5% more expensive. But similar to double door fridges, you should know that in the case of refrigerators, the increase in star rating or better efficiency and aligning to the latest BE rating leads to a significant increase in pricing, which does not translate to that much savings in energy cost. But unlike ACs, where I recommend to go with the latest 2026 models, with fridges, the ongoing reduction in running costs is not that high. So you will benefit even if you purchase last year's models. So look for the features that you want as a priority over the star rating. So it is still okay to go for a lower star rating or an older rating period only from a cost to value point of view. Most large fridges are 3-star rated with the exception of a few Samsung and LG fridges which have a 4 or 5-star rating of the fridges. LG, Samsung, Haier and Media also have Wi-Fi connectivity and use AI to monitor and manage the energy consumption using their respective apps. But if smart fridge is on your wish list, then Samsung is the way to go with their bespoke AI fridges which proactively adjust compressor speeds, saving up to 15% in electricity costs. Now, many of you fancy a water dispenser and an ice dispenser in the fridge. There are a few things you need to know when you are going for these. While most large fridges which have a water dispenser have a container, if you don't want to fill the container frequently, some LG fridges also allow you to connect water from your water purifier. This is a nice to have but will require extra plumbing for sure. If you would like continuous flow of ice, only the fridges that you see on the screen have an ice dispenser. I recommend not to go with this feature as historically this has been the most problematic feature of refrigerators causing service needs. In some premium models, you can see there is a tablet on this fridge. You can plan your groceries, you can play music, watch recipes and so on. While these look really cool, these are much more expensive than side-by-side or French door fridges with the same essential feature set. Generally, the charm of this goes away very quickly, and these tablets don't get frequent updates as well, making them quite unusable after a few years. If you would like to monitor and manage the energy consumption and convertible modes of the fridge, only the fridges that you see on the screen have smart home capabilities. In the premium fridges, you can also see what is inside the fridge remotely if you would like to plan your groceries. This is a nice flex to have for sure, but only the ultra productive folks will actually really make use of it. Now let's talk about other value features. Curd maker is an optional feature, and I would not give too much value for this, as they unnecessarily add more complexity to the product and introduces additional points of failure in the fridge. Now let's talk about warranty and overall satisfaction. Warranty in general is 1 year with 10 years on the inverter compressor, except for Samsung that provides a 20 years on the inverter compressor. I went over thousands of reviews of large fridges, that is side-by-side and French door fridges, to understand the overall satisfaction index of these. Service levels are varied based on the location and the brand. But in general, for large refrigerators, Samsung and LG have the best service network and spare parts availability, followed by Haier, Godrej, Bosch and Voltas. Service from Electrolux, Candy and Media leaves a lot to be desired. Panasonic has decided to exit the refrigerator market, so I have not included any Panasonic refrigerators in the comparisons or recommendations. So now that you understand how to identify the right features that are important for your needs, let's get to my recommendations. I'll cover 3 main segments. First is the essential side-by-side large fridges, which have no extra fills and are the least expensive. Second are the value large fridges, which include at least one value feature like a water dispenser or a convertible option. And third are the French door fridges, which have the freezer at the bottom either as a drawer or as double doors. So let's start with the essential fridges, which are generally 2-door side-by-side fridges. My first recommendation is a value for money option from Haier, the Haier 596 litre 2-door side-by-side fridge. This is a convertible fridge, so the entire freezer can be converted to a fridge area on demand. Perfect for festivals or when you're hosting large parties. This fridge has large drawers at the bottom in both the fridge and the freezer area. Perfect for storing fruits, vegetables and other miscellaneous items. The fridge to freezer ratio, however, is slightly lower than other fridges of a similar size. Haier has many sizes in this fridge and also has the option with a water dispenser, which I do recommend later. Next is the Samsung Bespoke AI 653 litre fridge. Again, this is a 2-door side-by-side convertible fridge, so the entire freezer can be converted into a cooling area. This is a Wi-Fi fridge, so you can connect to the SmartThings app to optimize convertible modes and track energy usage. But in fridges, there is very little to do with Wi-Fi, so ignorable feature in my opinion. Next, in a similar size is the LG 655 litre side-by-side fridge. This fridge uses multiple cooling air vents to distribute and circulate cool air into every corner of the fridge, making sure the cooling is rapid. It also has a rapid cooling feature to create ice fast. Unlike the Haier and Samsung fridges that have 2 drawers at the bottom, this one has only 1 drawer in the freezer area. If a stacking configuration is preferred for you, this is ideal. This is an essential LG fridge if LG's reliability is what you're looking for. On a budget, I recommend the Marq by Flipkart 584 litre side-by-side fridge. This fridge is ideal if you're looking for a modern aesthetic and maximum storage without paying a heavy premium. This 584 litre fridge is built on a standard OEM platform, which means many brands like Motorola, Media, Realme have the similar product as well, most likely produced by Media. The biggest drawback is the after-sales service of Marq. At a slightly higher price, I also recommend this model with a water dispenser. Now let's talk about the value large fridges, which include a water dispenser and are optionally convertible in addition to the essential features that are required in large fridges. If you're on a budget, I have 2 recommendations for you. First is the Media 560 litre side-by-side fridge. Ideal if you're looking for high capacity fridge with a water dispenser at an entry level price point. This is not a convertible fridge and has a fridge to freezer ratio of around 62%, lower than most other brands of a similar size. The external water dispenser does not require plumbing. While the pricing and product performance is great of this fridge, the service of media in general is average. My next recommendation is the Marq by Flipkart 584-litre side-by-side fridge. The same product and size is available by Realme, Motorola and Media. Same size, same features, likely produced by Media. It has a basic humidity retention designed to keep fruits and vegetables fresh. But you should be aware, the warranty and repairs are handled by Flipkart's Jeeves network, which is infamous for missed installation and service appointments and the lack of spare parts. Now in the value segment with water dispensers, there are two models by Haier that I recommend. At a lower price point is the two-door variant which I recommended earlier, but this one comes with a water dispenser. The entire freezer area here can be converted into the fridge area, making it a 100% cooling zone, which is perfect when you're hosting large parties. The water dispenser model is almost 10% higher in price than the one without. So choose this only if you think you will use the water dispenser. At a higher price is the 3-door variant, the Haier 592-litre 3-door fridge with a water dispenser. Here you are paying an extra price to have a separate convertible area, therefore getting almost 80% fridge area when it is used in convertible mode compared to 65% fridge area in a standard side-by-side fridge. Haier uses internal sensors to adjust cooling dynamically based on the load and usage patterns to optimize for energy efficiency. In the premium segment, I have two recommendations for you and no surprises on the brands. First is the Samsung 633-litre Bespoke AI 2-door side-by-side fridge. The dispenser in this fridge provides cubed ice, crushed ice and instant chilled water through the door. No plumbing is required. And the inbuilt water container is large enough at about 4.5 litres. It has 5 convertible modes which allow you to turn off the freezer entirely, converting it to a fridge area. The fridge has Wi-Fi, but like I mentioned earlier, in fridges, currently smart features are not that comprehensive or useful. And lastly, in a similar size and price, the LG 635-litre 2-door side-by-side fridge. LG has a door cooling technology, which is vents near the front of the fridge to make sure the items in the door storage get cold as fast as the other areas of the fridge. While the fridge does have a container for water, it also allows you to connect directly to the output of your water purifier as well. This LG fridge has Wi-Fi, which allows for diagnosis and easily set the refrigerator temperature and enable express freeze to have ice ready when it is needed. It also has a wine rack to store 4 bottles of wine. Nice to have, but not a must-have. Now in the French door fridge category, my first recommendation is the Haier 520-litre Lumiere series French door fridges. Haier has this in larger sizes as well if that is your preference. This is a convertible fridge, so by converting one of the freezer doors at the bottom, you can get almost 80% cooling area or fridge area. Very useful for those who prefer to store more in the fridge than in the freezer. The 4-door is useful to allow us to only open the areas that we need, saving cool air. One of the drawbacks is that the storage bins on the door are quite narrow to accommodate large bottles. My next recommendation in this segment is the Samsung 550-litre convertible French door fridge. With the fridge area in one wide segment without partitions in the middle, it gives a massive horizontal storage space for wide utensils or pizza boxes. Samsung uses 2 independent evaporators for the fridge and freezer area, which helps to maintain optimum humidity and to prevent odors from mixing up. The depth of this fridge is high, so make sure you align the dimensions with your kitchen before purchasing. And my last recommendation here is the Electrolux Ultimate Taste 700 French door fridge. This is a smaller size compared to the other large fridges at just under 500 liters. So it is ideal for mid-sized families that want to prioritize premium aesthetics and performance. It has the Taste Lock technology, which automatically releases excess moisture from the crisper drawer to maintain the right humidity and extend the life of the vegetables. Service network for Electrolux is also quite average. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.